Greeting to our lecturer T.S. Haniza binti Abu Bakar and our classmate. Today my classmate and I will be presenting our project about CAD application in civil engineering drawing. Introducing our team, we have Jovita, which is me, Kongyu, Zixing, Khaled, and Ahmed. So I will talk about the project title and brief. This project is about a semi-detached house. The project title is Development of Semi-Detached House, consists of one living room, one dining area, one family hall, one kitchen, 3 bedroom, 4 bathroom, 1 powder room, 1 courtyard, 1 garden, and 1 car porch. The semi-detached house in this project contains architectural drawing and structural drawing. Architectural drawing such as ground floor and roof plan, front rear and side view, and some cross-section view. In each architecture drawing, showing the view of house with detailing dimension. Structural drawing such as pad footing, ground beam, and roof beam drawing contain detailing that we use to build this house, like the size of pad footing and the size of beam of ground and roof. This house is located at Penang Island. The total area of the house is 330 meters square. In this exclusive development, there are 4 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms available, with price starting at 900k ringgit.
Thank you, Jovita, to present about her part. Hi, my name is Li Zijin. Today I want to present about the organizational chart. For the architecture drawing, the student A, who is the Jovita, and the normometry for her is AF210088, and the task for her is ground floor plan, roof plan, cross-section layout, and 2 section outward direction. And the student B, who is the Amel Mawan, the normometry for him is AF210007, and the task for him is front view and the 1 section in the outward direction. The student C, who is the Kalem Hammer, and the normometry for him is AF210002. The task for him is rear view and the 3 section outward direction. For the student D, who is me, Zijin, and the normometry for me is AF210087. The task for me is the right hand side view and BB section for the left hand side direction. For the last student is E, who is the Kongyu, and the normometry for him is AF210096, and the task for him is left hand side view and the AA section right side direction. For structural drawing, the student A do the pad footing plan view and pad footing detail. For the student B do the ground floor beam and slab plan view, and the C do the ground floor slab details and ground floor beam details. For me, do the column position in plan view and column details and schedule. For the student E do the roof beam plan view and roof beam details.
The location of the house: 9 Glencoe Jalan, Taman Jalan High, 10,450, Georgetown, Belu Pinang.
Hi, my name is Gui Kong Yu from AutoCAD, and now I'm going to introduce the feature of the house. And our house is basically a semi-detached house, which also is known as semi-D, with modern design that improves the comfortable level for living. In our presentation letter, you can see there is a 3 bedroom plus 4 bathroom and high ceiling for improved ventilation design. And there is also an ample car porch space. Of course, host house with quality floor and wall finish. Also, there are 24 hours security operation to make you and your family safer in 328 meter square big house. With everything I said above, it only costs 900,000 ringgit Malaysia. By considering the inflation rate nowadays, I don't think you can call it this is an unworthy deal.
Hi, my name is Khalid Hamoud Muhammad Al-Sayyaghi, and I'm going to talk about the conceptuals of the house. First part, the structure are made up of reinforced concrete. The walls are made up of brickwork, reinforced concrete, lightweight concrete, and drywall. The roofing material is made up of corrugated roofing material and concrete slab. The roof framing is made up of metal truss. The ceiling is made up of concrete slab, plaster ceiling, and asbestos free ceiling. The windows are made up of aluminum framed glass. casement, top hung fixed glass adjustable louvers, and overlapping glass and grille. The door is made up of timber. The wall finishes for the kitchen and the bathroom are made up of ceramic wall tiles, and for the other parts of the house it's made up of plaster and paint. The floor finishes for the living, bedrooms and the bathrooms and kitchen, they are also made up of ceramic tiles, but the car porch is made up of homogeneous tiles. The fencing is made up of brick wall and MS grill. The painting is emulsion paint.
So this is the ground floor plan of our project. There are 4 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms available. And this is the roof plan.
This is a picture showing the rear view of the house.
The architecture drawing, I will draw the right hand side view from the ground floor plan above. We can see that the door is half hidden by the column beam. The total length of the inner side is 17,547 mm.
And now this is the left hand side view. As we can see, there are many windows all over the wall, and even the upper part above the roof we have designed quite a amount of windows. And obviously this is for day lighting purpose and also the ventilation purpose, which it make the whole license move brighter, and also this is good for health. And in this drawing, the roof I used 2 colors to show it. The orange color is actually the roof behind, which is most of the part has been blocked or covered, so we don't see this architecture structure from this view. And the purple roof is the roof in front, which is the roof we can see it clearly from this view.
This is the cross-section layout. There are 5 cross-section lines and each of them will show 1 cross-section view. This is the 2-2 cross-section view. 2-2 cross-section located between the grid line of 5 and 4. Therefore, it shows a bathroom. The dining area overlap with the family hall and the powder room.
This is a picture showing the cross section of the house, showing a bedroom, a living hall and the garden.
And now this is the AA section view. The brown color on top of the structure is a roof beam, and which is to ensure the roof structure is firm enough. And as you can see, the door in front and back of the house is actually blue, because this is actually a sliding door which made by glass. And from this cross-section view, we don't cut any foot padding. In this view, we can see some sample furniture inside the house to let you have a clearer idea about how we localize the space inside the house. So we can see the sofa in living area, and a dining table in dining area, and also a sofa in a special places, which is the family hall.
This is the BB cross-section view. Our color top of the block structure is roof beam. As we can see there, a few sample furnitures inside the house which are able to let us a clearer idea about how is the arrangement of the house spacing. So we can see a car at the car porch area, swing chair and tree at garden area, toilet and wash sink are in the bathroom, dining table placed in the dining area, and the stove, wash basin as well as refrigerator are in the kitchen.
This is the backfooting plan view. We are using 3 types of backfooting, which is B1.0, B1.3 and CP1. So this is the backfooting detail. The value of the width, length and height of each backfooting is labeled at the table above.
This is a picture of showing the ground floor beam details and how they vary in length. This is a picture of the slab details showing 3 types of slab: the cantilever slab, a singly supported slab and a continuous supported slab.
Structure drawing is the column position in plan view. are using 5 types of column position, which is C1, C2, C3, C4, and STP1. I have drawn the table of column detail and schedule. Therefore, I categorize floor, ground, root, and stump for column detail and schedule. Therefore, the size of the STP1 is 300 mm x 300 mm. The column size of C1 is 230 mm x 710 mm. Column size of C2 is 230 mm x 450 mm. Meanwhile, the column size of C3 is 230 mm x 1530 mm, and the column size of C4 is 125 mm x 230 mm. That's all for me. Thank you.
And now this is a roof beam plan view, and we designed 2 types of beam, which is like the RB1. This is a thicker with size 280 x 550 mm, and also a thinner one is like RB26 with size 140 x 550 mm. And since our roof design is quite different with others, which is quite special looking, and in order to make sure the structure is safe, and mostly we use is the thicker one with size 280 x 550 mm beams, and some part which is with small amount of stress, we use a smaller beam with size 140 x 550 mm to save some cost. And lastly, this is about the roof beam details, and as I mentioned just now, there are 2 types of it, and one is like RB1, which is with size 280 x 550 mm, and the RB6 is actually the same specification with RB1, but only I show it to purpose how can it link with other beam to make it longer. And the RB26 is the thinner beam with size 140 x 550 mm.